Hello student, today I have brought a video on the topic force acting on a moving charge placed in a magnetic field. Last video we discussed about the force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed inside a external magnetic field. In this we discuss about the force, how the force exerted on a moving charge when it is moving inside a external magnetic field. Here, the magnitude of the force moving on a charge is given by the formula Fb is equal to Q into V. It is the magnetic field. Vb is the magnetic force, Qb is the charge, and V is the magnetic field. Here, the direction of the force is determined by the charge and the vector product of the velocity and the magnetic field. The magnitude of the force experienced by the moving charge in an external magnetic field is given by Fv is equal to Qv sin theta. It is the basic expression. And when the theta is 90 degree, that is the charge is moving perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field, then the expression for the magnitude of the force become Qvb. V is the magnetic field. Now next slide we discuss about the particular cases of magnitude of the force experienced by the moving charge. Consider a charge Q moving with velocity v in an external magnetic field V with the angle theta between the direction of V and V. Theta be the angle between the direction of V, that direction V is the direction of the velocity of the charge, and V is the direction of magnetic field. Then the force F experienced by the charge is given by F is equal to QVB sin theta. In the particular cases, when the theta changes, angle between the moving charge and the direction of magnetic field changes, then the magnitude of force is affected. That is given in the particular cases. In the first cases, if theta is equal to 0, that is the particle moving parallel to the magnetic field, the angle between the moving charge and the magnetic field becomes 0, that is the parallel, then no force is experienced by the charge. That is the Vf is equal to Qvb sin theta is 0, becomes 0. In this case, the charge moves with constant velocity in a straight line in the magnetic field. No force experienced by it. In the second case, if theta is 90 degree and the charge particles is moving, that is charge when moving perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, then F is equal to Qv sin theta sin 90 degree, that F is equal to QVB. In this case, the charge particles moves in a circular path because the force exerted on the charged particles appears as the centripetal force, and the charged particles undergoes a uniform motion and circular motion, and charged particle moving due to the influence of magnetic force exerted on it. Constant velocity, but the velocity and hence momentum of the particle changes continuously because the direction changes continuously, as we know that the direction of the motion under the uniform circular motion changes, but the velocity is constant, and it is given like that. If the charge is at rest, then the Q is equal to 0 and F is equal to 0. And the charge is rest, then the velocity is 0 and Q is equal to 0 and F is equal to 0. It means that the charge at rest does not experience any force, and when the uncharged particles, that is Q is equal to 0, then in this case, now it is here something is if the charge is at rest, that means the V is equal to 0, then F is equal to 0. And when the charge particle Q is equal to 0, in this case, no force is expression. When the V, that is the velocity of the charge, is zero, charge is rest, then there is no force experienced by it. And when there is no charge and particles, then the also force exerted by the magnetic field is not experienced by the particles when it is no charge. That is the fourth cases. Now, the charged particles which undergo due to the influence of centripetal force exerted by the magnetic field and undergoes a circular motion given here. The magnitude of force is perpendicular to the both of magnitude of field and the velocity according to the right hand rules. The perpendicular force will bend the path of charge into the circle. It changes the remains in the uniform magnetic field. Here given here charge, if the charge is remain in the uniform magnetic field, it is given the charged particles will undergo circular motion here, circular motion, charged particle, and their magnetic field here, and the charge force exerted on it in the direction, the charged particles moving inside the magnetic field. That is given in the video. Thank you. I will discuss next slide. Next slide we discuss about more about the electric generator, that will be given in the more video. Thank you.